Muscles and their functions. A band or bundle of fibrous tissue in a human or animal body that has the ability to contract and produce movement in maintaining the positions of parts of the body are known as muscles. Now, let us see how these muscles work. They work in pairs. When one of them relaxes, the other muscle of the pair contracts. To move the bone in the opposite direction, the relaxed muscle contracts to pull the bone towards its original position, while the first relaxes. Thus, two muscles have to work together to move a bone. This is an inner structure of a muscle. The muscle in the legs also work in a similar manner.